Hey everyone, welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And I wanted to just talk about the rules on the channel as, there's a lot of spam, there's a lot of, comments of really bad comments. If you guys should see, anybody that owns a YouTube channel probably have seen that. I just wanted to give out a little bit of the guidelines here. I am someone that believes that comments are too fun to be there. A lot of channels actually shut down the comments section because they can't cope with what's happening. But I don't want that. I want to have, as much free speech as possible. And, of course, that means that every day I have to manage the comments that people post. And so I don't want to shut down the comments, which means I'm just going to give the big idea of guidelines of the channel for anybody that posts comments. They are super welcome, and I have a lot of criticism, of course, because I deleted a lot of stuff. And I delete what I delete, honestly, because a lot of people think I delete things that I don't agree with, which is not at all the case, actually. There's place for discussion, and everybody has its opinion, and it's okay. Where I delete the comments is because often they use words that are not appropriate. There are ways to actually state what you think and what you think is wrong or right without having to use bad words like the F word or the S word or whatever. So that's the first thing, first rule, okay? I got no problem with comments. Just structure the comments of what you think properly. And they are going to go through. A lot of comments I've gone through that are, in disagreement with something I said or whatever, and it's okay. Got no problem with that. The other things is never post any links. They are not accepted. I do not accept any link to anything because of the dangers that links could actually operate on the channel. It could be malicious. It could be with good intention, but not necessarily good. It's just that I don't want anybody to post links. If you do think something, a link about something should be there to talk about it, well, you can let me know. You can post a comment and say, well, there's a link on that. There's an article on that website that talks about this or blah, blah, blah. And I think sharing it with, the audience would be nice. I'll post the link. The other thing is I've actually upped the security of the channel because there's been a lot of spamming on YouTube lately with all sorts of porn-related content. And it seems like it's bots. It's not somebody's. There's like thousands of accounts with bots that post links to porn content all the time. Which, of course, I try to make sure that it doesn't reach the main page, but it's annoying as hell, and I don't know why YouTube can't control that. So there's a lot of the stuff that happens that is due to these, bad content also. So what I do is I have, made every comment needs to be approved. It's the only way we can do it. So when you post a comment, if you don't see it, don't post it 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It's posted. It's just that it's not available because it needs to be approved before everybody sees it. And so every day, several times a day, I'll log into the channel and approve the comments so that they are online. So don't worry. If you post a comment and it hasn't showed up, it just needs to be approved. And if your comment didn't show up, it's because either it used bad language or, of course, anybody that posts, don't even, if you're one of those, don't even bother, losing your time, wasting your time, posting something like, well, Windows 10 is crap. Yeah, there's no discussion in here. You're just saying that, and it's crap. You're not explaining why, you're not explaining anything. A comment like that is absolutely useless, and it's not going to go through. you could state what you don't like about Windows 10. That will go through, as long as you don't use bad language or attack anybody. That's the thing. And finally, of course, any comments that attacks somebody else with comments. I see this so many times. Someone calling another one an idiot because of a comment they posted. That's not acceptable at all. Also. So these are the rules. Just, be a good citizen and post correct comments. Explain why of what you don't like or like. All of that, I got no problem. It's going to go through. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.